Ever found yourself wondering, where did all my money go? Or perhaps you've been caught off guard by a direct debit you completely forgot about. What if I told you there's a banking feature that acts like your personal financial detective, keeping you in the loop and giving you a crystal clear picture of your spending, almost in real time? Well, that's exactly what we're diving into today: Monzo notifications and spending breakdown. These aren't just fancy add-ons, they're core functionalities designed to transform the way you manage your money, turning financial ambiguity into absolute clarity. We're going to explore what they are, how they work, why they're incredibly useful, and how you can leverage them to become a true master of your finances. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's set the stage. Traditional banking, for many of us, has often felt like a black box. You spend money, and then days or even weeks later, a statement arrives, or you log in online to see a list of transactions that require a good memory to decipher. It's reactive, not proactive. And in today's fast-paced world, where contactless payments and online shopping are the norm, that reactive approach just doesn't cut it anymore. Enter Monzo, a challenger bank that's been at the forefront of digital banking innovation. Monzo was built from the ground up with the user experience in mind, and two of its most powerful features for empowering that experience are its real-time notifications and its intuitive spending breakdown. Think of them as your financial GPS and your budget analyst, all rolled into one seamless app. So, let's start with Monzo notifications. What exactly are they? In their simplest form, Monzo notifications are instant alerts that pop up on your phone every time there's activity on your account. Made a payment? Ping. Received money? Ping. A direct debit is about to come out? Ping. It's like having a tiny, incredibly efficient financial assistant whispering updates directly into your ear, or rather, onto your screen. But these aren't just generic alerts. They're smart. When you make a payment, the notification tells you not just the amount, but also the merchant's name and sometimes even their logo. If it's an online transaction, it will often specify that. This immediate feedback loop is crucial. Imagine you're at a busy market, making several small purchases. Without instant notifications, it's easy to lose track. With Monzo, every transaction is confirmed instantly, reducing the chances of errors or, heaven forbid, fraudulent activity going unnoticed. Beyond basic transaction alerts, Monzo notifications extend to a range of other helpful scenarios. For instance, if you have a recurring payment like a subscription coming up, Monzo will often send you a heads-up a day or two in advance. This is invaluable for preventing overdrafts or simply reminding you of commitments you might have forgotten. Ever signed up for a free trial and then completely forgotten to cancel, only to be charged? Monzo's proactive notifications can help you avoid that frustrating scenario. Then there are bill pots notifications. Monzo allows you to create separate pots within your account to ring-fence money for specific purposes, like bills. If you've set up a bill pot and a direct debit is due, Monzo will notify you if there isn't enough money in that specific pot to cover it, giving you time to move funds around. This level of foresight is a game changer for budgeting and ensuring you never miss a crucial payment. Now, you might be thinking, that's great, but won't I be bombarded with notifications? Monzo understands this. You have control. You can customize your notification settings, choosing which types of alerts you want to receive and which ones you'd prefer to silence. This personalization ensures that you get the information you need without feeling overwhelmed. It's about empowering you, not annoying you. So, that covers the what of Monzo notifications. But the why is just as important. Why are they so impactful? Firstly, they foster financial awareness. When you see every transaction instantly, you become far more conscious of your spending habits. That quick tap of your card might feel insignificant, but when you see the notification pop up, it reinforces the reality of money leaving your account. This real-time feedback loop can subtly, but powerfully, influence your spending behavior for the better. Secondly, security. Instant notifications are an incredibly effective deterrent against fraud. If an unauthorized transaction occurs on your card, you'll know about it immediately, allowing you to freeze your card and report the activity to Monzo without delay. This significantly reduces the window of vulnerability and protects your funds. It's like having a vigilant guardian watching over your account 24/7. Thirdly, peace of mind. Knowing exactly what's happening with your money at all times brings a significant level of reassurance. No more guessing, no more waiting for end-of-month statements. This real-time visibility translates into less financial stress and greater confidence in your money management. Now, let's pivot to the second, equally powerful feature, Monzo's spending breakdown. While notifications tell you what you've spent, the spending breakdown tells you where you've spent it, and on what. This is where Monzo truly shines as your personal financial analyst. Every transaction you make with your Monzo card is automatically categorized. Bought groceries? It goes into groceries. Paid for a coffee? It's eating out. Filled up your car? Transport. These categories aren't just random. Monzo uses intelligent algorithms to automatically assign them. But here's the best part. If Monzo gets it wrong, or if you prefer a different categorization, you can easily change it with a tap. This level of flexibility ensures the data is always accurate and relevant to your unique spending patterns. The magic happens when Monzo aggregates these categorized transactions. Within the app, you can view your spending broken down by category over various time periods, weekly, monthly, or even custom date ranges. Imagine a beautifully presented pie chart or a bar graph showing you exactly how much you've spent on groceries this month, or on entertainment, or on bills. This visual representation is incredibly impactful. It takes abstract numbers and turns them into easily digestible insights. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.